Hey, what's up, everyone? We are watching Neil Explains. Today's problem is a bit of brain teaser, but we will solve it easy way and step by step. So everybody will understand how we can solve. So here, as we think, know, the numerator part we have 16 divided by 12. Okay, and 12 by 16 we can write it at 12 by 16. Okay, so we will apply here ACF rule: keep, change, flip. So we will keep this part, we will change this sign, and we will flip this part. So our question will come 16 divided by 12. We will keep it, and we will change this division into multiplication and flip. Like numerator part will become the denominator, and denominator will become numerator. So here question will be 16 by 12. Okay, and if you simply mathematics, then you can multiply, like, but we will solve it in the easiest way. So as we know, 4 times 3, that is equal to 12, and 4 times 16, that is equal to 16. Okay, so if we divide 12 from 4, we will get 4 times 3 and 4 times 4. Will same for here. So at the numerator, it is 4 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. Oh, sorry, this is not 3, this is 4 and 3. And the answer will be 4 times 4, that is 16, 3 times 3, that is 90. So here answer is 6 by 9. If you want Zero to Hero series in mathematics, go and check out our books in the description. And thanks for watching and keep supporting us.